back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be opening one of my OG ride or die day one. What are some other phrases like that are really outdated that you use for like longest standing? My day one. We're opening up my IPSY Glam Bag for June. It is June. We're halfway through the year. June is the 6th month in 2024. Well, every year, really. But June! We feel kind of small this month. But the packaging is always beautiful. Like, if you know, you know. And if you don't know, I'll leave information in the description below. Also, this video goes into my cute little IPSY Glam Bag playlist. Well, it's IPSY playlist. You know. And you can go see all of my past boxes. I've had this forever. I don't like the sticky. It gives me, what did the kids say? It gives me the ick. I don't know what the kids say. Nobody's home right now, and I just have to tell you, it's not bad. That's everything. Heat. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I know. I have my camera really zoomed in right now, so you can't see. And I'm like looking. It's foamy. Yeah, there's not a lot in here, but this is foamy. Are we going to the pool? Not the beach. To a pool. This is foamy and freaking cute. Let me empty all this out. Let me get a space and then empty this out. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5. Oh, there are 5 things in there. Look at this. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm going to the beach, buddy. To the pool. Not the beach, the pool. Now I want to go to the beach. Later. We'll see. But this is so freaking cute. IPSY Glam Bag. Smells kind of coconutty. For the pool? Maybe. The pool kind of like reminds me of new plastic. You know, when you take like the new floaties out of the plastic. New plastic. Fun stuff. Anyway, I'm rambling. That's cute. Let me show you a little bit about my IPSY Glam Bag, or IPSY Glam Bag in general. Comes with these cards, these little inserts. Tells you a little bit about the theme for the month, which for June 2024, it is sunny days ahead. This month, we're delivering everything you need for a sun-kissed glow all summer long. We'll see. We'll see. Anywho, in the inside of this card, that bag is cute. That bag is cute. On the inside of this card, sometimes, but most of the time, lately at least, like kudos, IPSY. You could have just switched to the app, which is fine, but like I love it in the card. Tells you the items you received, a little bit about them. If they're full-size products, it gives you the price on here as well. And then on the back, it tells you about your choices coming this July. Oh. And then add to cart, the little shops that are on IPSY where you get like discounted items that they have, which is actually really good. I've found myself buying more and more add-ons as time goes by because they're just so good to like, you can't pass that up, you know? Anywho, I'm rambling. So let's get to the products. This first one, I've tried stuff from this brand. It's okay. It's not great. But maybe it's just me. It's probably just me, honestly. It's from Frank Body. This is not a full size. This is a little baby one. It is a Frank Body Rosehip Body Scrubbing Cleanser. I'm a 2-in-1 melting body scrub with exfoliating sugar and smoothing rosehip. Ugh. Anytime something has rosehip oil, it just smells ridiculously like rose for no reason. Like rosehip oil very slightly smells like rose. If you've ever, I know, it Dead. Back to the thing. How is this a buffalo? That's it? And melt into a nourishing lather. Okay. I could feel the sugar. That's squishy. I kind of like that. I'm probably going to use this though. I'm not just going to let it go to waste. Plus it's really cute. What does even tone mean? What does that mean? Cute. Like the packaging though. Pretty cool. Like the color. Very pretty. On to the next item. Yes, I'm very skeptical about the smell, but I am going to use it. I love exfoliators. My body does too when I remember to use them. Like, I'll get on a schedule where like every other day I'm on it, and then out of nowhere, 2 weeks, exfoliator, who? I just love to like let my skin build and build and you know what I'm talking about. Anywho, this next item is from Dear Midnight. Never, I'm assuming. Oh, it's a little. Oh, it's a little. I think it's a lip. It's a lip balm gloss. So this is, the brand is Dear Midnight, and it's in PHLUX pH color changing lip balm. I have one of these. Okay, I have 3 of these already. If you've seen my Pokemon times Color Pop video, they don't taste good. Don't do that. Do not do that. It's the same as getting soap in your mouth. Don't do that either. This looks kind of cute. Like, it's clear, and then the pH adjusts to like a pink. You can't see how tiny it is. I'm gonna open it because I want to. Ooh, or not. Got like this clear packaging, and there's no like little dots to open it. pH color changing lippy. Not a full size. That's okay. Ooh. This next item is from Wander Beauty, which I do enjoy. What are you? Oh. I don't think... So, hold on. So this is Wander Beauty. It is the Mile High Club Length and Define Mascara. It's not a full-size item. Duh, me. But I don't think I've gotten a mascara in like a tube like this in a long time. What is the purpose of putting them in these tubes versus like these tubes? What, like, this is like a pouch more than a tube, I would say, but I still say tube because but this is like a squeezy tube and this is like solid, you know? I just have questions. I want to know why. Is there a benefit to doing it this way? Is it like a formula thing? Is it just a packaging thing? Like packaging it in there? We're using it? I want to know. This is the Length and Define Mascara. She's pretty though. Do you see this? Oh, I like it. Okay. Very nice. I'm going to use that. Maybe use the little pH thingy too if I can get it open. You know me and packaging. We don't get along. Oh! This next item I picked, and somehow it's not a full size. Let me show you. This is from Ace Beauty. I love this brand. Love this brand. It is the Maximum Impact Liquid Eyeshadow in Stella Dusk. Like, it's not a full size. These little things can be full size. Like, oh my god! Look at how gorgeous she is. Can you take a look? Yeah. Oh. I have some shadow on right now. That's kind of melted together. That's on me. That's my oiliness. I'm gonna try this real quick because this looks beautiful. Oh. Wow. can I? Wow. This is like exactly what I'm looking for lately. I saw this thing on the Instagram and like, this is how pretty it is. I did like a full swatch and then I kind of tried to like whoosh it that way. So we have like that metallic looking color. And then if I like sheared it down or, you know, just tapped it out, it's very glittery, and that's what I'm going for. Like, not huge chunks of glitter, but small little flecks of glitter. And she's pretty. I'm gonna wipe this off because I'm gonna get glitter everywhere. I already know it. Yep, it's not all coming off per normal glitter. That's okay. That is pretty. Oh, this is nice. For external use only, cruelty-free product. That's cool. I'm just gonna toss the box because I will be using this immediately. Oh, I love Ace Beauty. Anyway, the last item is from EYESHADOW Beauty. It is a super serum foundation in light 1. Light. I mean, my face is pretty pale, but I have like this weird thing going on right now. We're sealed. I want to see what it looks like. I'm going to try and put it on this hand. Ooh. You know, what does this remind me of? Ooh. You know what? This kind of reminds me of. I think this is thicker though. That matches my hand really well. I don't know if it's gonna match my face, but that matches my hand really well. I feel like it sinks in pretty good. It reminds me of when The Ordinary had Color Cosmetics, their serum foundation. I loved it. Oh my gosh, that was so good. So sad it was discontinued. It was like $6 for like this tiny little tube thing, and it was like with a little pump, and it was just like liquid, and then it sunk, and then it like became you. It was this. This is pretty nice. I don't think I've ever purchased anything from EYESHADOW. I think everything that I have from EYESHADOW I've gotten from subscription boxes. But good stuff. I like that. I'm probably going to keep this out and use it because this looks really nice. I don't know if I had a lot of oil on the back of my hand, but this kind of like the shine I'm getting from the lights in here, it all evens out. I could see the color difference, but like the shine and everything, that's pretty nice. And it covers up like the little sunspots on the back of my hand pretty good too. Glitter and foundation. Anywho, that's it. That's my whole bag. Let me grab this bag. I sat everything on top of the bag because it's just a little sponge. I feel like if you toss this in the pool, it's gonna float. Problem solved. I mean, it's pretty good. I wonder if it's water resistant. Not waterproof because like the zipper, and I don't think zippers are waterproof, but anywho, I got this body scrub, this pH Lippy, this mascara, this eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, I'm gonna call it an eye doodle, and then the foundation. That's my IPSY Glam Bag for June 2024. Wow. That is so very cute. I love that. Did you guys end up picking the same choice item, or did you get a different choice item? Because I know there's like always a company you can pick from, but how could I not? This was so cute. I had to. Not the bag. The bag is cute on its own too. Like, yes. But the the Ace Beauty liquid eyeshadow. I don't know what my head is thinking and what it wants to call it, but it's a liquid shadow. That's everything. Let me know in the comments what you picked for this month's bag, if you got this month's bag, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!